entity that has always been a vivid part of our imaginations. Ever since we were children, we have dreamed of this vast unknown, from wondering about the existence of aliens to the power of black holes, to how close we could get to the sun before burning to a crisp. To this day, these curiosities have not subsided, perhaps growing even stronger. Good morning, fellow debaters, judges, guests. Today, my partner and I, Robert and I, will be affirming the resolution resolved that the United States federal government should substantially increase space exploration. Exploration is the act of searching or traveling around a terrain, including space, for the purpose of discovery of resources or information, as defined by Oxford Dictionary. Substantially is defined as of ample or considerable amount, and increase is defined as to make greater by dictionary.com. We define space as any area beyond the Earth's mesosphere. Due to the recent cut of the Constellation program and countless other cuts from NASA's budget, we believe that there's a need for change. It is very likely that the government will continue to cut the budget, considering the economic struggle we are undergoing. As the affirmative side, we believe that this resolution would prove to be beneficial in countless ways, which is exacted by our contentions. These include numerous economic benefits, the well-being of the human race, and underlying benefits. Contention 1. The increase of space exploration could infinitely be beneficial to our economy. The space industry is a big business in the United States. For one, resource mining in space could be extremely profitable. Near-Earth objects, or NEOs, contain deposits of a wide variety of resources, including nickel, iron, metal, silicate minerals, platinum metals, water, and trapped or frozen gases such as carbon dioxide and ammonia. According to an article from Space.com, many stony iron meteorites contain platinum group metals at grades of up to 100 grams per ton, end quote. Now, keep in mind that the average open pit platinum and gold mine in South Africa mines ores of 5 to 10 grams per ton. This means that through resource mining in space, we will be able to obtain priceless quantities of high-value metals, which are sure to stimulate our economy. However, one may question the practicality of traveling to these asteroids. For that, we have an answer. According to the same article, 10% of NEOs are more energetically accessible than the moon. Considering the fact that the number of NEOs has increased from 860 to 8,600 since 1995, it is evident that this is a substantial amount. Using NASA's calculation that resources within the asteroid belt are worth $700 quintillion, we can determine that the easily accessible NEOs are worth $70 quintillion. Also, due to the deposits of water present on these asteroids, steam rocket propulsion is a possibility to make return trips pay for themselves. According to Professor John Lewis, the author of Mining in the Sky, resources of the solar system can permanently support first world comfort, some quadrillion people, end quote. In other words, the resources contained within our solar system are virtually infinite and are there for us to exploit, especially due to the fact that the resources here on Earth are dwindling. Contention 2. The increase of space exploration would greatly contribute to the preservation of the human race. There are countless threats facing civilization today. Astronomers say that the greatest is an asteroid impacting Earth, similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. According to the Space Debate Greek, NASA currently has an NEA detection system, but has only discovered 45% of the NEAs. It also has no means of reacting should a threat arise. According to data from this system, 481 NEOs have a potential to impact Earth in the next 100 years. If any one of these impacts were to actually occur, we would be defenseless. Nonetheless, the affirmative side has a solution. By increasing space exploration, space colonization and disaster prevention become viable options. Colonies in space may seem unfathomable, but something only possible in the most unimaginable sci-fi fantasies. However, the development of this technology may be more feasible than we thought, waiting just around the corner. With colonization, it will be less likely for humans to be wiped out, and the issue of overpopulation will be solved, which my partner Robert will discuss. Contention 3. Space exploration could indirectly benefit mankind. First in its history, NASA's research has brought on a plethora of inventions essential to modern life today. Otherwise known as spin-off technologies, these include CAT and MRI scans, sunglasses, scratch-resistant lenses, athletic footwear, and cordless power tools, all of which were designed to make space endeavors possible for astronauts. Dr. Ernst Stullinger of the Alexander explains every year about 1,000 technical innovations generated in the space program find their ways into our Earth technology, where they lead to better kitchen appliances and farm equipment, better sewing machines and radios, better ships and airplanes, better weather forecasting and storm warning, better communications, better medical instruments, better utensils and tools for everyday life." End quote. Second, it is a known fact that we are faced with an abundance of global issues, such as poverty and hunger. The negative side may address that these issues should be prioritized before space exploration. However, it is demonstrated by the previously said quote, "The technologies derived from space exploration and research potentially helps to solve these problems." For example, the most apparent solution for world hunger would be to simply funnel money into producing and distributing food. But for this issue to be truly resolved, it is essential for land to be used more efficiently. It is the most effective tool. The most effective tool to accomplish this is the agricultural Earth satellite, which scans wide areas of land quickly to relay information to ground stations for appropriate use. With these technologies, yearly crops could possibly increase by equivalent of billions of dollars, according to Science Daily. As said by Dr. Ernst Staudinger, the voyage to Mars will certainly not be a direct source of food for the hungry. However, it will lead to so many new technologies and capabilities that spin-offs from this project alone will be worth many times the cost of its implementation. In conclusion, this increase of space exploration will benefit mankind as a whole. It will serve to harvest advancements that will bring civilization into the next stage of life, the life that humanity has always yearned for. The affirmative side believes that by taking small steps today to support space exploration, possibilities for space in the future can be endless. To infinity and beyond, vote affirmative.